Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it's my daughter's birthday. uh, so happy birthday, baby girl. I hope you have a wonderful day. But let's get right up into it. So, as I'm drawing this out, I had no idea price was tanking like this. So obviously, I was in sell-off mode yesterday. Put in some sells yesterday right here, but ended up taking a bigger loss. And you could see price actually flew up, 446, about 250 pips. And once it reached into the 78.6 ILC, you could see here, got in here and got out real quick. And ever since it rejected from here, you could see how much it's plummeted since then. So it pushed up 250 pips and came down 646, 287. Damn, almost 400 pips, 350 pips. That it's fallen since getting in there yesterday. And but I do see some areas of interest right here. So these are all 30-minute um, ILCs right here, which is pretty significant, right? Because in terms of just confirmations, we're looking pretty decent. I ain't gonna lie. So let's see here. This is a 78.6. So we got two areas of interest, and it still hasn't actually broken this one in. I kind of do like this area right here just because we got the 15-minute going through here. See it right here. I don't know if I want to get in this quick. Definitely looks like there is some buying pressure to push up, especially with this engulfing candle. But you could see that right here with the 15-minute 50 EMA, price is respecting it along with the ILC. So see what it does right now, but it's pretty decent. All right. So you can see it's already rejecting. I kind of want to put something in, but I don't want to do it yet. Um, but I'd be looking for something like this. Oops. If we see that it just stays stagnant in here, or if it comes out of here and then I open, pushes in, and rejects here again, it'd be looking pretty decent. I think I'd keep it tight, to be honest, something like this. I'd probably keep it something tight like this, 30 pips, and close it out just so we don't have to go ahead and keep pushing up. And I mean, technically, I guess we would need something like this just to go ahead and see if it's getting respected. But since it did break structure on, you know, broke all of these lows, and I knew it kind of looked like it was yesterday. I think we could see price definitely get to this level. We'll probably push on down to this level here. So let's see if we can make it happen. Well, it's pushing through here. So if it doesn't get through here, then we go up to here. And that's why I don't like putting in any trades until New York Open, because we could see it just continue to push up. So that 5 minute just finished, and look at how it finished. It definitely looks like it's going, it's out of here. So we can maybe do something like this and keep it really tight. 30 pips here, and see if we don't see the full retracement back up. So I actually like this area, either of these two areas, because this might actually still be respected, right? But the 61.8 obviously is a little bit cleaner. I'll actually bring this down right here. See the 5 minute. So we'll see what price does. Close that, close that, close that. Yeah, it's definitely pushing out. So I don't think it could break this one. I'm almost positive. This is the one it can't break right here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Could see a turnaround, but I just like the fact that I think it's coming down. Today we have Biden speaking, I think. Biden speaks at 11. So, oh, we got Powell testifying today, though. Suffered in recent sessions. Okay, so 6:30 is actually going to be really volatile. So let's see what we can get out of it. Yeah, and we have 30-minute ILC coming through right here, too. It's flying up right now. Remember, I don't like to put in anything until we get up into that 6:30 open, just because we want to look at it, right? So it's digging up. Look at that push up. You can see it kind of just rejecting this area right here, right? This is the R2S that we've basically been using all week, or for the past week. After price broke up, put in another sell, but obviously, boom, boom. But you can see the rejection that already happened here. So we'll see right now. Already a rejection right there at the ILC. It's pretty clear. So we'll see if it gets the same respect up here. So we'll just wait and see. I like this area. If we take it out here, we could probably see it reach up to this ILC, but I like this ILC here. See if it gives it to us. Give me a second. I'm going to use the restroom real quick. Man, that was a big rejection right there. Right before open. Oh shit. Definitely looks like there's a lot of push to the upside right here. Yeah, we'll see the way this one finishes. If it rejects this area right here, then we'll know. I'm not in any trade yet. I'm still waiting. But I am looking for a sell. Wait, see what it does this last minute and 30 seconds. You can see the rejection right there. Whoa. Well, that thing's moving. Oh shit, look at that rejection right there. Let's see what it does at open. I haven't entered anything yet, but I mean, I want to. But let's see, we got about 30 seconds left till open. It's a big rejection though. Ain't it ain't? Damn, I don't know if I should enter right now, but it looks like it. Shit. Alright. Damn, that was a crazy, crazy rejection right there. Alright, let's see. I'm looking around like 450-ish. Oof, let's see. I like that, but let's see. Alright, I entered some positions right now, but the way that rejection's looking off of the 1 minute, it does look kind of crazy. So we do got a bit of a risk right here. I ain't gonna lie. And it's sitting on top of the 15-minute, right? So this is something to look at. So we'll see what price gives us right now. If it gives us anything, I'm in at a 58 and 52 and 51. Wonder if I should. Let's see. Yeah, that thing's moving up quick, which I don't like. But we're in there, and damn, think I'm gonna. That's crazy. That was a big push up and a big fake out for me. It was a big fake out for me. I'm gonna just probably eat this. I mean, I have my stop loss right here. Let's see what it gives us. Maybe it gives us a play, maybe it doesn't. We'll see right now. I think I'm gonna close my bottom positions just because it looks like it's full. Oh, that's why I should have closed them all. Damn, it's so volatile right now. I wonder what's being said. So I closed one of my three positions. We'll see what the other ones give us. I'm down what, about 200 right now, so we'll see. Man, something must have been said right now. Let me see real quick. Let me see something real quick. Mm, I might just get stopped out right here. I mean, and I know how this works. We see it hit and tap this area right here, but truthfully, our stop loss should probably be about right here. I already know how that goes. With these indices, I know that sometimes, well, damn near all the time or most of the time, a lot of these people are they're entering positions at a crazy with a crazy stop loss. 100 pip stop loss. A lot of these professional traders. So I don't know if I put it at 100 quite, but we'll see right now. See what it gives us. Nice little rejection, but there's still a bit of time left on the five. Oh, let's see how the 5 minute does play out because this is still a big push up, right? So maybe we see a retest. Maybe we see on the next 5 minute candle. If it stays like this is a nice little what 494. Yeah, that's a nice rejection right there. So let's see if it can. All right, I'm already down for the day. But let's see if we can make some money back. Let's go from there. Looks like we're getting a small little retest. Oh, actually, I don't like the way that finished. It's a bit of a push up. The wick's not as nice as I like. 71 to 93. Still 20 pips, but let's see. All right. This is a key area, right? Because if it uses this as support now, then we're looking in trouble. But let's see. I'm down 129 on the day, so mm, you see what it's doing right here is using this level of support, and I really don't like that. Um, it looks pretty decent on the 1 minute, but it's still using this area as a support level, respecting 20 EMA. So maybe whatever's being said right here is better than expected, right? Got Powell testifying right now. Hmm, shit, I don't know. Doesn't look so great though the way this candle's finishing. I think I'm gonna just close my position and just take my L because um, it looks like it's headed up. My opinion. It definitely looks like it's early in the candle, so you see it comes down first and then it makes its way up. So yeah, you see how right now it's finishing with its wick at the bottom, so it's still getting a lot of pull to the upside with this. Uh, maybe I'm being stubborn. I don't know if I should hold on to this trade anymore quite. Um, where am I at? I'm entered at somewhere right here. Mm, I know it's going up, but I'm like, should it? Because one of my big issues, and I've already done it, right? Like, I probably shouldn't have taken out my other ones. And I know I need to get better at holding to fruition, holding through the stop loss. Um, but I just don't do that yet. I like to just, if I think it's going up, let me just pull some of my position and get out of it, most of it out of it, right? Instead of taking a full bigger loss, I'd rather take a partial loss. But the way it's finishing, it's looking like it's going to push up. Even though it's still rejecting the zone, it still looks like it's coming up, but let's see. If I see a big rejection, I might add some positions, but I got to see the rejection first. Right now, it looks like it's headed up. Now, I only have a .02 in there. That's in at 58.27. So it's not too big of a deal, but oh, wait, I like that. Boom, boom. I just entered some positions right now. I just entered some positions right now. Let's go. If it can stay down, there's still 22 seconds left, but let's see if it can stay down. All right, let's see. I like the way it's finishing, but still, you see how it's still rejecting this area right here? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Um, damn, look at that push. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's even though it's this candle came in and kind of gave me a confirmation, I got the same thing yesterday and look at what it's doing. So we'll see. This will be my only trade for the day. I'm hopping off after this, and hopefully it comes our way. So these two top positions that I just added, they were in 82 and 76, and then I have my positions that I had in from open at around 58. So let's see if it can break through this motherfucker. All right, let's see if it can fall off. It's broken below, but this is still a resistance, possibly to support area, right? Mm. See how it's still rejecting it? I don't like that. If it rejects on top of this, then I think maybe it's not the best idea to hold. But I still like what I see. It's just it has to it has to finish down here. I like to see it finish like right here. The candle finish. If it finishes up here like that, well, I don't know so much. I'm moving my stops to break even right now. These 82 ones, that's going to break even. Damn, it might come and hit them right now. It's getting mighty close to my entry. Yeah, and you see, this is the rejection that it's like, yeah, just got stopped out at break even on both of them. Oh, well, actually, my 82 one is still there, but it's now it's stopped out. Yeah, no, I don't like that. Yeah, fuck it. We'll see if it gives us something, but it doesn't quite look like it. Still holding the bottom position. Mm, all right, more shot. A whole lot of playing. This is some bullshit right here. But still using this as support. You see that? That's what I'm saying. Still using it as support, which is like make up your mind already. Let me see. I wonder. Hold on. Yeah, if it stays like that, then it looks like it's pushing up, but who knows? Uh, yeah, it looks like it's pushing up. Uh, yeah, just take the L. What am I down for the day? Down 134, man. Shit. I mean, I don't. I know it's coming back up here to retest the zone right here. Close my position. How many pips is that? Um, I think I did a better job. My 458 position, I closed in profit. The other ones basically stopped out. A little slippage. I'll take it. Fuck it. I didn't lose too much just because I had some decent money management. I took the trades out, but you know, we'll see. Maybe it gives us another opportunity right here. Yeah, that thing looks like it's headed up, but we'll see. Biggest loss it took wasn't actually bad. 19 pips. And again, that's why I kind of do that just because I'm fucking terrified of losing. And yeah, I guess you'll see that. I entered a little position up top right here at 0727. I might get taken out, but this is my last shot. Um, and look at that. Because, let me show you what I'm looking at on the 15 minute. We have these two ILCs right here, right? Now, price can make it up here, and it's definitely possible. But I think if I had to bet my money on it, it's probably going to come up and retest this area up here. It looks like it might be coming for this area. So we'll see. Let me see if there's anything on the EMA. Oh, nothing at all. It's the 4 hour. 4 hours right here. Yeah, I like the 4 hour right there too. Pull up on the motherfucker like, no. Mm, you know what? The way this looks right here on the 5 minute, 15 minute looks okay, but the way the 5 minute looks with that this little boosted punch right here, it's kind of how would I say it? Doesn't look too shabby, but we'll see right now because this 5 minutes finishing. We'll see how it pumps up on the next one. So 5 minutes just finished here. Let's see how this one goes. Maybe it comes up and retests this ILC right here, but let's see. Let's see if I can find something here though. Okay, it's still a little. Yeah, look at that. See if it can come down. We'll be okay. Ooh, let's see. If we can add a position right here, we'll see if it can break below and then add a position right here. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. So let's see if it can break down below here and then we see a little retest and we could jump in. But I mean, obviously we still have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left, so that's a big ask. But let's see what it's giving us. 15 minute looks decent, like I said. It was just the 5 minute looked a little crazy because it can still push up, especially if it just rejects up and leaves a big wick at the bottom right here. We're up about 17 pips. I think maybe moving stops to break even again, just to be sure. Um, it's getting close actually. Still rejecting on the 1 minute, and there's still 30 seconds. Let me show you what I'm seeing. See the 1 minute fit 20 EMA, how it's being respected. Yeah, that's not a good thing necessarily. So keep the heat. I'm about to get stopped out. And and stopped out. Other side. Yeah, I don't know what homeboy is saying right now, but it's enough. Don't know what this guy is saying. Yeah, I mean, fuck it. $134 in losses isn't bad, but damn. I wonder what's being said or what, right? Because we're seeing, let's see, that stopped out again at break even. 6, 22, 22. Today. And this 4 hour IOC with the EMA might be last spot. I might be willing to risk an extra $70. Another $70 up here. Let's see. Keep me at maybe another 125 actually, because 250 is what I try to stay at. And I think technically it'd have to be like that. So be a 0.04 up in here. Let's see. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I haven't put anything in yet. Let me see if we could get up to this ILC. Maybe like right here. Huh? Huh? Maybe I should. You're getting old, Fulio. You're old. Huh? Look at that little rejection right there. Let's see if we can add a position in somewhere right here. You're not gonna rub my feet for your birthday today? I know it's your birthday. That's what I got you for your birthday today. A free foot massage for your dad. Let's see. Let's see. See if we get a rejection right here. Clean one. Probably around. Yeah, around this ILC right here. I haven't entered anything yet. Mhm. Oh, okay. Okay. 21 seconds. Let's see. What are you scared for? Oh, Alright. We might be in business. Think we might be in business. Let's see.
Daddy.
Oh, let me go get you.
Daddy.
What?
What's that?
Birthday, sister. Happy birthday, sister.
Daddy, when you were singing happy birthday, I was just on the toilet.
It's just on the toilet.
Yeah, you know how I go pee every morning?
Mm-hmm.
But
6 years old. Happy birthday, my love bug. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I got him a little bit later than expected, but he's the same.
how come you didn't blow up these balloons?
Huh?
How come you don't blow up these?
Because we're waiting for you to blow them up.
And like that.
Yeah?
Could you open them, please?
You want to blow them up right now?
Yeah, it's my birthday.
Oh, that little cough. Feel a little warm, dude. The cough is ugly, papacito, quequito. I think I would move my stops to break even right here if I were you. Just because you never know. Whoa. Yeah, you never really know what price is going to give you, right? So at least it's moving. Might get a retest. If you get stopped out, fuck it, you could enter again. But just be mindful that there's a big push up right here, right? Everything, you can see what price is doing. It's kind of nuts, right? Took all this away and gave it all back.
Day trade, let's see. Day trade, let's see. Day trade.
Oh, la 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 la. I hope I don't get stopped out. Might enter another position. Okay, you guys get over there.
I want you to do this one.
If you do that, you have to do it at the table.
Okay.
The card. Oh, I'm pretty sure I'm stopped out. Was it? Oh, not quite. I wasn't quite stopped out. Man, that shit was like a pip. Maybe I have it on the wrong area. Who knows?
Daddy, did you know you said happy birthday to me? Your first happy birthday when I was on the PT toilet.
Mm-hmm. Happy birthday to you. Best top of the line, cute big waist with a slim behind. Oh shit, that's what I'd like to see. Let's go, baby. Baby. Definitely move your stops to break even if you haven't done so already. There should be no reason for price to come back up unless it's coming back up. Oh Lord, Lord,
Callie found an emergency.
turn it down, baby. Way too loud,
Nope.
brother.
Yeah, I think I know that too. It's too loud.
Wide receiver, raised right here in LA.
Something about, it might just keep coming up. Look at the 1 minute right here.
Callie found an emergency, you guys.
What is it rejecting? 1 minute 20 EMA. So it might just continue to push up. I don't know why the market's doing that. Um, I mean, maybe Powell is saying something that's, I don't know. Is this gonna happen today? Am I tripping? Oh, Powell, federal rate hikes won't bring down gas or food prices. Higher rates will moderate asset prices. Fed aims to get labor market back into balance. I don't know. Let's see if it can just continue to fall down. Looks like it. Maybe whatever he's saying is working, but let's see if this can break through. Because at the end of the day, it just needs to finish like right here. A big bear candle finished right here. Then the next step would be right here on this 50 EMA. So let's see. If it rejects it again and wicks out, then we'd probably be looking at an uptrend. Because I still believe we are in a downturn. So let's just see if it goes our way. Remember, this is the 4-hour 50 EMA, so there's that. See what it's doing, right? Finishing on top. If it's not going to finish below it, I might as well just take my profits and probably break even for the day. So I'm going to give it one more shot. I'm going to probably move my stop loss and the profit right here. It's already at break even, but I think I'll move it a little in the profit just so I could gain something back. Worst comes to worst. That's a mamma mia. Yeah, every last 10 seconds it shows its true colors. Damn. I just want to see it fall off right here, but it doesn't look like it is. Damn. I have this line on my MT4 at 563. Um, I'm not. You okay, dude? So it's kind of rejecting that line, but it's also staying on top right there. It's off quite a bit. I'm in at my MT4 is showing at like 561, and up here it's at like 557. So it's off a little bit, but let's see. Now that's a deep finish to the upside right there. Go, Papa, go. Go, Papa, go. Maybe it rejects this ILC right here. Maybe it doesn't. We'll see. I actually didn't move my stop loss into profit that much. It's still at break even, so. Yeah, it doesn't look so great. Damn, man. What was that guy saying? Oh, still 36 seconds though. Let's see. If this thing stops me out, I'm gonna be pissed. Got my stop loss at 80, so we'll see. I just see the potential of it falling off right here is pretty nice. Pretty nice, I think. It's just a matter of if it will. I added a little position right there, but again, we got the 20 EMA right here, so stops are getting moved to break even pretty quickly. If I'm just being honest. Let's see. It really has to break through the 20 EMA. That's the biggest thing that needs to be broken right now. Oh, mama, 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 mia. Oh, mama, mama. Oh, la, 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 la. Yeah, fuck it. Sure. Well, my bottom position is stopped out. Alrighty then. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna just call it. Oh, oh, oh. Should I add another one? No, I shouldn't. Yeah, that shit looks like it's just gonna fly up, maybe. I mean, this area is a nice area. I ain't gonna lie, but the way it's looking pretty crazy. It's just gonna shoot up, but I can't seem to find anything. I don't know why. Sure. Oh. So the central bank is strongly committed to bringing down inflation and can do so with its monetary policy tools. That means higher interest rates until compelling evidence emerges that inflation is coming down. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell told congressional lawmakers that the central bank is determined to bring down inflation and has the ability to make that happen. At the Fed, we understand that the hardship high inflation has caused, and we are strongly committed to bringing inflation back down. We are moving expeditiously to do so. We have both the tools we need and the resolve it will take to restore price stability on behalf of American families and businesses. Along with expressing resolve on inflation, Powell said economic conditions are generally favorable. I got stopped out at break even, just so you guys know. Over the coming months, we will be looking for compelling evidence that inflation is moving down, consistent with inflation returning to 2%. We anticipate that ongoing rate increases will be appropriate. The pace of those changes will continue to depend on the incoming data and the evolving outlook for the economy. He noted that the war in Ukraine and COVID-linked shutdowns in China are adding to inflation pressures, and added that the problem is not unique to the U.S. but is affecting many global economies. Powell's remarks are part of a congressional mandated semi-annual report. Over its past 3 meetings, the central bank has raised rates a cumulative 150 basis points, 1.5 percentage points, in an effort to tackle inflation that is running at its fastest annual pace in more than 40 years. The 75 basis point increase at last week's Federal Open Market Committee meeting marked the biggest single hike since 1994. Senator Elizabeth Warren warned Powell that the continued rate hikes could tip this economy into a recession without stopping inflation. She said, "You know what's worse than high inflation and low unemployment is high inflation and a recession with millions of people out of work. And I hope you'll reconsider that before you drive the economy off the cliff." Damn. Oh shit, look at that rejection right there. And now it's sitting on top. I don't know if I should put anything in. Let me just go ahead and go back to reading this. Powell has stressed that he thinks tighter monetary policy will be an effective tool against inflation and has said he thinks the economy is well positioned to handle higher rates. However, he also told Warren that higher rates won't do much to lower soaring food and gasoline costs. If I do enter, I probably would have entered till price came back down here, so I know it's out of this area. Cracks have been showing in the economy this year that indicate the higher rates are coming as the economy already is slowing. Gross domestic product declined at a 1.5% annualized pace in the first quarter and is on pace to be flat in the second quarter. Housing sales have been plunging, and there have been some signs that the jobs market is slowly decelerating at a time when inflation-adjusted wages have fallen 3% over the year. Despite the economic wobbles, Powell and his fellow policymakers have indicated the rate hikes will continue. Projections released at meeting last week to point to the Fed's benchmark short-term borrowing rate rising to 3.4%. by the end of this year from its current targeted range of 1.5 to 1.75%. I don't know. I don't know what none of that shit means. Well, I know what some of it means, but I don't know what none of it means. And yeah. Well, I finished the day minus 128. 2 days in a row. 250 I lost yesterday. 128 I lost today. And yeah. I don't know, man. You would think price would come down with news like that, but sometimes the market works like that. You get terrible news and it still pushes up. Don't know why it happens like that, but all I know is we can control our losses, right? And if you feel like price is showing some signs, even though we're in a sell-off, even though we're looking for sell-off, if price is showing you some signs like, you know what, it might come up. One of the signs that showed me this and why I took out so much of my positions in this little dust up right here was that it was showing respect to the sell-off LLC that it was once using as resistance. It was now using as support, support, support with the 20 EMA. So that helped me to really minimize my losses right here and just take, $50, $70 losses and, break evens and shit like that. So yeah, price is pushing up. I think today was actually a decent day in terms of like risk management, but you know, it is what it is at this point. You can see prices just moving and moving and moving. So oops. Yeah, I need to figure out what happened right here though. I mean, I know it respected this R2S right here, and I was kind of expecting that, and I seen the W forming, but I did think that we'd see a rejection at these golden zone or 71.8 levels. Even up here, I thought we'd see a rejection, but guess not. Everything's pretty stagnant on the cryptocurrency side. So we'll see what happens. I'm not sure. I'm going to call it a day. I'm down, 380 on the week so far. 373. 373 on the week so far. So it's not bad considering it's 2 days, right? I'll take it. And yeah, take it like that. Thank you, God, for another day. Well, I guess we just call it right there. Price isn't doing what I thought it would do. We had the confirmation.